guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm with my precious dog Rubyscage, and I'm gonna record playing with her. You see her moving in the middle of the house. She's going inside now with my
Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Yeah. Basically what's happening. So what I'm going to try to do is, I love her so much, and I'm going to try to spend, if I could spend a while in that thing. And people told me to do this, and they told me to do it with no supplies. So that's what I'm going to do. I love y'all and Ruby. I don't know which one I love more. I love y'all a lot, but I love Ruby a lot too. A lot. Yeah. Because you're basically my family. Because in God's way. This is hard to open. Oh my gosh, the camera's shaking because it's on top of it. I might even stay here for hours and hours. Let's see if I can stay 24 hours. All there is pillows, and I have my phone, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I need less pillows. Look at this. Look at Ruby. That's way more. I don't know how Ruby fits in here with all these. Oh, there's also a blanket down here, a very dirty blanket. Yep. Okay, I'm almost in. I'm going in. Oh, no supplies. Literally, look, I have no supplies except pillow. But I didn't pick those. I didn't even see. Okay, wait. Another pillow. And one more pillow. Oh, I'm stuck in. Oh, I'm held. Okay, it's literally closed. It's closed. Oh my god. The tone's begun. I'm gonna shoot you back until my mom gets me my breakfast. So, okay, I'm just done eating my breakfast, and oh my gosh, hello, tickling me. You guys, now look at the outside. It's just woken up. It just woken up. It was not a very comfortable night. Playground, it rained night. That was torture for me. Oh, it says under here, but I kind of got wet a little bit. Even though I'm under shade, because like those little holes I went through into this. So, yeah. Goodness, day last. I don't know how I'm gonna use the bathroom, but I don't need to go right now. And I'll see you back after I have lunch. Okay, I just had lunch. It's still pretty bright. Oh my god, Ruby is over there. She's just staring at me, but it's kind of hard to show the camera her because she's all the way back there. If you can't see her, she's back there. You can just see the tree, but she's back there somewhere. She's behind that big tree. Yeah. But yeah, I've been locked in here. I see it's locked. I just locked it. I forgot I did. So, depends how long I'm gonna stay in here. Stay in here longer. So yeah. It's been an hour since I've been in here. I mean, a couple hours. Like 4 or 5, I don't know. I'm so bored. Okay, I'm gonna take a little nap, then I'll get right back to y'all. Okay, I took a 5-hour nap. So, Ruby just came up. It's hard to show y'all again because my mind's squished and stuff. This is the most craziest challenge I've ever done. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. I'll tell you when I've got dinner. Okay. See ya. Yeah, I just got dinner. It's getting pretty dark. It's like really dark in the background, but you just can't really see, but it's dark. Yeah. I'm recording on my phone, so I don't really know what time it is. So, yeah. And my siblings know I'm out here. Except my mom and my dad. No other siblings. Yeah. See you in the morning. Okay, it's morning. I just woke up. And guess what just happened? I lost that tooth. And I dropped it, but it's like right on the ground. It's hard to show y'all. The ground over there. Not in the crack, but it's on the ground. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm actually going to stay in here for as long as I can. So I'll show you once I get breakfast. I just ate breakfast. Now, I'm just going to talk to y'all. Break it up. Can we put the phone right down? This is totally locked. Well, it's not really locked now, but still. I don't know how to walk it from out here. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I just do this. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to lock this. Because my hands are in here, so. I'm not going to get out because I'm in a challenge. I'm so bored right now. It's like 3 in the morning, really early. Ruby's not even awake. She's just on the couch laying like this. With her eyes closed. Yeah. This is really weird for me. Like staying in the dog cage. I'll see you when lunch is ready. Okay, I just ate lunch. I'm gonna take one more nap for today. Okay. See ya later. I just woke up. Yeah, it's been like 6 hours for that nap. Yeah. I'll get show y'all for dinner. It's dinner time. I just ate my food. I had lots of watermelon. Now, I'll shoot you when it's in the morning. I need to go to bed. Done this morning. And that will be the end of today's challenge. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Almost at 21 subscribers. Bye.